Dad gonna have to help you? Or mom, let mom help you, so unless she wants to hold the camera.
I'll hold the camera.
Mom, you help me.
I'll help you.
Dad will help you while I picture you.
I think we need a knife. Or skizzers. What happened to the skizzers? There they are. Here. I cut this glass tape here. Maybe I can just peel it off. There we go. That's out. Okay, here. Lay this down somewhere. There's instructions. Better keep those. All right, here it comes. Coming out?
No.
We'll have to push it, I guess, this end. Sure is a lot of trouble.
What does it do, huh?
What?
What does it do, huh?
What does it do, huh? I don't know. That's what we gotta find out. What does it do, huh?
That's a pretty big one, Hood.
How do you get it out? Sit it down.
Put it on the floor.
I'm getting mad now. I'm just gonna cut it out. It's so darn hard to get out.
But don't break that up, it's going to get all over.
I always overdo everything. There's your control. Huh?
My control.
Yes.
Does it need batteries?
Probably does. Look at that fire truck, Mom.
It might go either way.
Huh?
That might go anywhere.
Well, we gotta put the batteries in.
Oh.
You guy. Where's those instructions I gave you? So we can see what kind of batteries it takes. You ran away already?
Probably giving you another one.
He doesn't care?
But make sure that's, who's that? Hootie from Sister. Hoot. Hoot. You should sit over there and face me.
Come over this way, son. You're too close to your mom. Come over this way more.
Oh.
I need the scissors.
Hang on a second.
That's it.
Dog's chasing the birds.
Mm.
Take 6 those big batteries. We don't have 6. We have 1, 2, 3. That's it. Maybe we have some more downstairs. I'll go look.
I'm picturing. Tell Dad. Tell Dad.
It takes 6 AAA. That's better. Or double A's. We got plenty of those.
Okay, here, Hoot. Here.
He's too close.
Okay.
Son, you're too close. You're too close to your mom. You're just wasting film rolls.
Turn your back towards
Turn
me. Hoot.
around. Put your hat on. Turn around.
What kind of hat? Woo.
Kind of big.
I thought Dad has to make it smaller. Say, Dad, make it smaller.
What does it
Kick
say?
your butt.
Bug out. It's a bug's life. Leave him out of water. Let him freeze for a while.
Let's open up the other big present. This thing. This one. There.
Here we are again, recording stuff on Christmas Day. The dogs are outside yapping like a bunch of little idiots. Mom's inside the living room using Dad's new chair. And Hooty's still opening presents. Aren't you, Hooty? He's been opening for hours. His favorite toy so far is a new fire truck right there.
He's all excited.
He thinks that's the coolest thing going.
He really likes it, huh, Hoot? Is that your bestest?
He better not poke himself with that knife.
Be careful. Okay, go ahead.
There's got to be something on television. And where that?
What's Mom doing?
Something on television.
Dinner and a movie. Delicious
Sitting here.
television Friday nights only on the
Relaxing.
Superstation.
Just got to
Look at Hooty's loot. What?
Claude. Just got to talk to the brother Claude.
Naughty and who's nuts? Roger Rabbit is next. And Super Berry Foolish.
Who framed Roger Rabbit's coming on, Hoot.
Oh.
What do you got there now? What is it? Show your dad. What is that? Where you got that from?
What is it?
Don't lose those. That's probably instructions. You better look inside and see what it is. Give those to Mom. Put it back in the box.
Look inside the... Man.
From the police force.
Kind of heavy.
It is? It's kind of heavy.
That means there's something in it.
He says that means there's something in it.
Binoculars!
Where?
He got binoculars.
Where? Say, oh, thank you, Dad. Thank you, Dad.
Thank you, Dad.
Well, maybe Santa brought them. I don't know.
Honest, come on, let me up, Cindy. Get out here without any
That's exactly what he's been wanting. Isn't it, son?
Yep.
I happened to stumble on those in Walmart. I
It's
think.
ringing for Grandma. See if Uncle Harry answers. Hurry. Say, Happy Merry Christmas, Grandma.
Hello, Uncle Harry. I just opened a present and it's binoculars and I got a fire truck.
Which is more light in here.
And I found some stuff inside my sock.
Say, is it Christmas Day?
Not, it was only one day.
Then you slept.
Grandma's coming up to see us.
Here, talk some more, talk some more. Say, where's Grandma? Merry Christmas. Oh, he's all excited. Yeah. He said, well, Christmas was in one more day. Yep, he got some stuff in his socks, and he's been opening presents for, geez, 2 hours now. It's been a while.
Dad, go and
Oh,
open
that's
the
okay.
door.
He got.
Oh, let him get cold.
20 kids.
No.
Do him some good. Maybe he'll stay inside if he gets cold, good and cold. You like those binoculars?
Okay, well, I'll get a ticket down to her.
Thank you, Dad.
You're welcome, son.
Yeah, it's only $80
Wait a
round
minute, he
trip.
wants to go back outside.
Uh-huh.
He does?
Uh-huh.
He's getting cold?
Uh-huh.
Oh yeah, I mean, geez.
Doofus.
Yeah,
Doofus dog.
I know. Esther.
What are you doing,
called
Doofus dog? Huh? Stand up there.
below.
Sit up there, Doofus dog. That's it. Sit up there. Sit up.
Are you guys staying?
Sit up.
Staying home for
That's a
dinner?
good dog. Perform.
Oh, are
Come
you?
on, perform for your dad. Come on, sit up. Can you sit up? Can you sit up?
We're
Dad, I'll make him
invited
sit up.
my
Okay.
neighbors.
Doofus.
Yeah, I had to make
Well, go over there a ways. Go over there a ways.
some pumpkin pie,
Hold your finger up.
some homemade bread,
Doofus.
some buns.
Let your finger.
Sit up.
Yeah.
Sit up.
Sit up, boy. Come on, boy. Sit up.
You're like,
Doofus.
Hold your finger up in the sky. He won't sit up for you. He don't like you.
who do you just? Yeah. Yep. So what's Mom doing?
Hey.
Oh, she is?
And his dad's with him, and his dad's with him, and
It is?
Yep.
So look at that.
he is my toy playlist.
Let me see.
Here's the toy playlist.
Put it down off your face. Look at that. Don't look so silly.
And here's the case for my dad's Weatherman.
Weatherman? Where's that Doofus dog?
Right here.
There he is. That's cool.
Buns in a bakery shop. 3 pound buns with a sugar on the top.
Really?
Along came a man with a penny in his hand, took 1 bun, and away he went.
You're really performing, aren't you?
Bakery shop. 2 brown buns with a sugar on the top.
Look at Dad.
Along came a man with a penny in his hand, took 1 bun, and away he went.
Well, look at Dad.
1 brown bun in a bakery shop. 1 brown bun with a sugar on the top. 1 brown bun in a bakery shop. 1 brown bun with a sugar on the top.
And there's
Along
Doofus.
came a man with a penny in his hand. He took
Hey, Doofus.
And away he went.
No, stay over there, you silly dog.
And 1 brown bun in a bakery shop. 1 brown bun with a sugar on the top. Along came a man with a penny in his hand. Took 1 bun and away he went.
Really?
No brown buns in a bakery shop. No brown buns with some sugar on the top. Along came a man with a penny in his hand. Took 1 bun. Took 1 look. And away he went.
Really?
Yep. That's what
Okay, let's look at this. Dad's gonna turn it off.